Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Dodge Journey SXT. Stock reference number 5428. The shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, faded paint, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, a few scratches but nothing major. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent and a very light fold on the rear edge. Right power door mirror also faded. Right guard has no damage, just a bit of paint fade as well. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control.